Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the new user credits. So on the FastCredit Pro settings, you can see the value here is 0, that's the default, but you can put any value here, and basically any new users that are registered in WordPress are going to receive the value that you add here. So say we put 10 credits there, just save those changes. So basically any new user in WordPress is going to get these credits added. So for example, even if we went to users here and added a new user, right? Let's just give this user a name. Right, and then we just basically add that user as a subscriber. You can see the new users being added here, but also that they now have a credit balance or tokens balance, because we've renamed these credits as tokens on this site. So basically any method that lets users be added to WordPress, so you could have a sign up form on the site, you could have a membership system that adds users. Whenever a user is added into WordPress, they're going to get the free credits. So even for example, if you're using the WooCommerce My Account page and you've got registrations open on this page, so if we went into here and enabled them, settings, accounts and privacy, right, in WooCommerce, and you allow customers to create an account, and just reload this. Now you can see that we can register. So if we just register here, depending on how your site is set up, it should basically register them or either ask them to confirm. So in this instance, a new user's logged in, the credits are automatically applied, and they've got them available to basically spend in your shop. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick in all the videos that you're probably going to see, just to keep reminding you. And also, if you've got a comment, leave a comment, and if you've got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.